friends, and welcome back to Home Decor 101. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because every week, if not sooner, I'm going to be bringing you smart, stylish, and affordable ways to elevate your space, no matter the size. In today's video, we're tackling a common challenge: small living rooms. Just because your space is compact doesn't mean it can't be stunning. We're diving into 10 designer-approved tricks that will help you transform even the tiniest living room into a space that truly wows. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's jump right in. Tip number 1, using light neutral colors. One of the most simple tricks designers use in small spaces is choosing light, neutral tones for walls, furniture, and flooring. Shades like soft white, light gray, beige, and even pale blush reflect light, making your room feel brighter and more expansive. Think of your walls and larger furniture pieces as a canvas. Keeping them light helps to create an open and airy atmosphere. Now, it may seem counterintuitive, but a larger rug can actually make your space feel bigger. Small rugs chop up the room visually, while a bigger one anchors the space for you and really just brings everything together. Designers often recommend going big enough so that at least the front legs of all your furniture sit on the rug. A larger rug creates a sense of cohesion and flow, helping the eye move smoothly across the room. It also adds warmth and makes the space feel more intentionally designed. Choose low-profile furniture. So furniture that sits lower to the ground is called low profile, and it helps to create the illusion of higher ceilings in your small living room. Mid-century modern pieces are perfect for this. They're sleek, they're stylish, and naturally lower in height. Pair them with legs that are slightly raised off of the ground to add a sense of openness and air circulation. Also opt for multifunctional pieces. Now I only have like 3 examples here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you why they work. The first is this bar cart. Now a bar cart is really stylish and it can be used for more than just liquor and alcohol. As you saw in the first picture, it was actually like a side table with a plant. You can display things on it. And the cool thing is you can roll it around, whether it's in your living room, your dining room, and use it in various places in your home. So in this room, you can see that the bench that goes with the dining room table can also be used in your living room, giving you basically 2 seating options. Create a focal point. Now, just like in some larger rooms, small living rooms need a focal point as well. Whether it's a really bold piece of artwork, a unique mirror, or even an eye-catching light fixture, having one standout element or piece draws the eyes and gives the room a sense of purpose and style. It's amazing walking into a room, especially a small living room where there's kind of a contained space that has so much going on, and your eyes know exactly where to go, whether it's over the fireplace mantle for a nice canvas or whatever you have going on. You are visually telling the people exactly where to look. Also, use mirrors to expand the space. Mirrors are the oldest design trick in the book, but it's for a good reason. They reflect light and visually double the space. Position a large mirror across from a window or behind your sofa to bounce the natural light around the room and give the illusion of having more square footage and more light than you actually have in that room. Now this is going to be one that some of you all may not have thought about, but float your furniture. Instead of pushing all of your furniture against the walls to try to create more floor space, try floating your seating with a rug underneath. Now this is going to help define a clear conversation area, and surprisingly, it makes the room feel larger and more intentional, like your conversation is supposed to be right there in that area. You can add a slim console table or even open shelving behind your sofa to maximize the layout and to create more storage opportunities for you in that room. Also, keep the color palette cohesive. Now, one of the secrets behind beautifully designed small rooms is a really cohesive color story. When your walls, your furniture, and accessories are within the same tone family, so for instance, if you're going to go neutrals or greens, you don't have to use the same color all throughout, but it makes your room feel more connected and spacious. But it doesn't have to be boring. You can play with texture and really subtle patterns to add some interest, some depth, and some personality. Next tip, incorporate vertical storage. Use your vertical space. You may have a small footprint, but your walls actually go up. That's unused space. So floor to ceiling bookshelves, mounted shelves, or tall cabinets draw the eye upward and help you to store more without having to crowd the floor. Vertical elements create a sense of grandeur and maximize every inch of available space. And here's a tip, it actually makes your room seem taller. Last but not least, use statement lighting. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting. A statement pendant or chandelier adds drama without taking up floor space. Wall sconces, undershelf lights, and even stylish floor lamps can layer in both functionality and flair. Designers often use lighting to highlight the best features of a room, even the small ones. There you have it, 10 designer tricks that can instantly elevate your small living room and make it feel bigger, brighter, and more beautiful. Whether you're working with 400 square feet or just trying to reimagine your space, these tips are all about maximizing style without sacrificing function. Let me know in the comments which one of these tricks you are most excited to try, and if you've already tried some. And don't forget, I've curated a list of my favorite small space essentials over on Amazon. You can find the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And remember, whether your home is 400 square feet or 4,000 square feet, the best thing you can have in it is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. See you guys later.